Howdy all, my name is Jan Steinhauer and today I'm going to show you how to implement the Magnify gesture in VisionOS. So let's go! So we're going to start our next code where we switch to the tab VisionOS and create a standard project. Now in our project we're going to go first of all to the info.plist file where we change the application scene to an immersive space. As a second step, we're going to switch the window group to an immersive space. Now we're in the content view. Within the content view, we have the reality view, and because it wouldn't display anything right now, I'm just going to add real quick a sphere. This is just a normal sphere, which is green and in front of us, and I'm also going to add it to the reality view. Let's check it out. So we need two state variables, the item scale and the gesture scale. So for the item scale, it keeps track of how much we need to scale our sphere in this case, and the gesture scale, we need to say, okay, how much are we magnifying? How much are we scaling up and down right now? Based on that, we're also changing the item scale. After reality view, we need to add a gesture, and in this case, it's the Magnify gesture. We need to say target to any entity, and the sphere is the only one in this case. So we say unchanged value in gesture scale. So we have to convert it to a float. So we say float value.magnification, and then we also have to say sphere.scale equals sim3 as a float, and repeating item scales times gesture scale. That's like unchanged, that we adjust the scale. And then on end, we have to say on end value in item scale multiplied by float value.magnification, and gesture scale is then back to 1. On end, we have to save the item scale, so our object stays consistent within the scale multiplicator. And for the gesture scale, we have to say, okay, it's 1.0. So when we start changing again, it starts with 1.0. So it starts with the beginning. Let's look at the finished product. Okay, it looks great. All the code is in the GitHub. Follow, leave a like. See you later. Bye.